Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another VR, and this one is from Miss Martha Hamilton, and she here on YouTube is Granny's House. And basically, oh my goodness, I believe it is her 1 year anniversary here on YouTube. I could be totally wrong, but I have to do a bunch of VRs right now. So anyways, so all she's asking from you guys, and really all she wants, is a postcard from your hometown. And she said it could be store-bought. If you want, you can hand make it. That's fine with her. So anyways, I recently moved here to Nevada, and now I do want to say I am from California, and there is not much difference. The heat is the same, everything's the same. I was raised in down by the Palm Desert area, Palm Springs area, and it is always so hot, even in the winter. So I'm expecting that here. I'm finally moved into my forever home, and I am done moving from location to a location. So this will be my new hometown, and this is what I created for her. And so anyways, of course, in both areas I've seen here that they have hot air balloons. So also in my hometown, or where I'm from, so this is more of the desert here, and I had these little puffy stickers, and I thought it looked awesome. I found this cute sundial because, of course, like I said, it is so hot here, and you see a 1 or 2 cloud here and there. So there you go, and that is my new hometown. So anyways, I hope she likes it. I hope you guys are able to send her a postcard. And like I said, you know, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. And Miss Martha Hamilton is such a sweet lady. Go over to her channel if you guys are not subscribed to her. Subscribe, support her, and thank you. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.